Ant gel bait can start reducing ant activity within hours, but full colony collapse usually takes days to weeks depending on species and conditions. Ants often begin recruiting to attractive gel baits within a few hours when placed along trails or near entry points, so position small dabs every 2 to 3 feet along observed paths and near nests when known. Use gloves and a small disposable applicator to avoid contaminating the bait and to keep human scent to a minimum. If the bait becomes crusted or dried, replace it because ants prefer moist, fresh gels. For outdoor placements, use sheltered locations such as under eaves, inside cracks, or beneath landscape edging to protect bait from rain and sunlight, which reduce effectiveness, and avoid placing gel directly on soil where it can be covered by debris. Expect visible reductions in worker traffic within 3 to 48 hours for many common species, but full colony effects such as disappearance of brood and queens often require repeated feeding over 1 to 4 weeks depending on colony size. Continue monitoring and reapply bait whenever activity resurges or bait is depleted, and combine baiting with sanitation by removing accessible food sources and sealing entry points to prevent reinfestation. If you see many dead workers near bait, remove them to avoid deterring further feeding, but do not overspray insecticide near active bait stations, since that will repel ants and stop the bait from spreading through the colony. The 3 most common mistakes are placing bait where ants cannot find it, assuming rapid disappearance of workers means the colony is eliminated, and contaminating bait with household cleaners or pesticides, which repels ants. Place bait directly on or adjacent to observed trails or inside crevices where scouts travel so it will be discovered and carried back to the nest. If workers vanish quickly, do not stop monitoring because foraging can be suppressed temporarily while the colony recovers. Keep bait in place and check weekly for up to 4 weeks. Avoid spraying repellents, broad-spectrum residuals, or heavy cleaners near bait stations, and instead use targeted mechanical cleaning around food crumbs so bait remains the preferred food source. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for reliable local contractors with contractors seeking work and project leads, and we host an active discussion community where users share real-world experiences and practical tips. We make it easy for us to share and find recommendations while learning from other people tackling similar pest control and home maintenance projects.